bitch got
What's up, y'all? We back at it again with a video. So today I wanted to bring you guys a little bit different of a video. So this is going to be part of a new series called Shade or No Shade. Basically it's going to be me reviewing products for you, give you my honest opinion, what I like about it, what I dislike about it, what I think the brand could have changed or done differently, what skin tones I feel like it might work best with. So leave me a comment down below. But before we can get this video popping, you know what I need you to do. I need you to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, make sure you get all the notifications for my video, and you know, like the video if you like it, and then let me know. I'll do some more about this. Also, if you have certain brands you want me to try, drop them down below. I'll be happy to grab anything, show y'all what I think good, what I think is bad about it, and let y'all know the real tea. Alright, let's get into this video. Alright, so the product that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is actually a brand new product launch by BareMinerals, which happens to be one of my favorite companies just because they use mostly natural products and it's really good for sensitive skin like moi. But they recently launched a new highlighter and your girl is all about the highlight action, okay? Like, I need me some glow in my life. So they have 4 different shades. I grabbed 4 of them. I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hand, show y'all what I think, and then based off that we'll apply them and I'll show you guys what they look like. So just to read a little bit of information from the box and the website, it's called BarePro Glow Highlighter. It says cleanly formulated for long wearing luminosity. This face highlighter can be worn 3 ways for a truly customized glow that lasts up to 16 hours. Y'all, 16 hours. Not 1, not 2, but 16. Okay, they got my attention. They got my attention. So it says, with light reflecting mineral pearls, this versatile formula provides a natural looking luminosity. When worn as highlighter makeup, it can be mixed into your favorite liquid foundation. Haven't tried that before. Tinted moisturizer or skincare products to add a customized level of glow to your entire face. More than just a highlighter, the weightless bi-face liquid is infused with oat sugar to instantly smooth the appearance of wrinkles, and green lentil extract and bamboo extract to even skin's texture and smooth the appearance of pores. Mineral lock technology enables this long-lasting highlighter to stay on for up to 16 hours. So you guys, it's saying I can mix it in my foundation or wear it on its own. So I'm not going to mix it in my foundation because your girl does not want to glow. But for all you that do and want to see me do a video about that, leave a comment below and maybe we'll try that next time. But for right now, we're going to use it on top like a traditional highlighter because that's why I got it, y'all. Let's try it out. So there's 4 different shades. There's like 2 pink, 2 brown tones. So the first one is called Joy. I don't even know if that's gonna like focus. There you go, Joy. The second pink one is called Whimsy. And then the 2 brownie, bronzy, goldy tones are called Free. Focus. There we go. And Fierce. Okay, so I'll drop a picture here or there just to show y'all what it looks like. So I guess let me just read it. Okay, so it says shake well, then apply. So let's do a test swatch. I'm gonna grab a brush here and just show y'all what it looks like. Let's see if we can. Y'all almost dropped it. But alright, so I'm gonna start with Joy. I think I'm just gonna do a couple of dots and then like streak them with my finger. Maybe see what it looks like. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Okay, so just twist. Oh, okay, that's a lot of product. All right, so let me show y'all this on camera. So it comes with this little like pump bottle, And then like do y'all see how much came out? Okay, so wait. Oh, I didn't open this. Okay, so. Okay, so that's just half a pump, you guys. Like, you guys, it's a lot of product. Okay, I'm just gonna keep them in order. So the first one is Joy. Second one is Whimsy. Let's try Free next. Yeah, Free. Okay. Then the last one says Fierce. Ooh, okay. So I just screwed it. So this is what it looks like on my hand. And I'm just gonna like take my finger and just like swatch it across for y'all. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like. Can y'all see? So the first one's like a pinky gold. The second is more like a purpley pink. Third one is like a slight gold beige tone. I don't know. And then the fourth one, blah, is like a bronze tone. Can y'all see that? So I like the first and the fourth one off the bat just from swatching them, and then that's what they look like on my fingers. So yeah, so I think we're gonna try the first and the fourth one and see what it looks like. So let's get it popping. Okay, so I just had to grab a napkin to kind of like remove it from the back of my hand. So we are going to go ahead and apply this. So I'm just going to put a pump of Joy on my hand. And I'm going to take my brush and just kind of like stroke it a little. Like, alright, y'all. Now I need to see what I'm doing. And this viewfinder is cute and all, but your girl need a mirror. Alright, let's see. Do y'all see that? Oh, baby. Okay, hold on. Okay, so honestly, I was really shocked by this because it was pink, but okay, BareMinerals, come through, come through. Okay, that's cute. I'm put a little bit more on because it looks a little deceiving. Like, do y'all see that? Like, my brush is kind of pink, but your girl is glowing gold. Okay, so yeah. Okay, hold on. Do y'all see this right now? Y'all, wait. Okay, completely unexpected. So, just to show y'all what this looked like. So, y'all don't think I'm tripping, okay? So, expectation was like pink. Reality, gold. Not mad at all. Okay, so I think this one would work. If you like a gold tone, then definitely. So, y'all, look, I got that Instagram glow right now. Like, do y'all see me? So when your way looks really light, but when the light hit, ooh, she popping. Do y'all see that? Check me out. All right, so I like it. I put a couple photos in so y'all can see what it looks like with the flash and with natural lighting too. So you don't hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I don't know if this is gonna look right now because my first instinct was to go with Fierce. Now this Joy is looking like it's a winner, so let's see. Okay, so same thing. I put one pump on the back of my hand. Gonna take my brush. I did clean it. And just pick it up a little bit. Okay, so honest opinion, I'm going with this one only because it's giving me that like glow without showing gold. So this one gives a glow, but it's kind of showing up like a little gold streak on my face, and I don't think I'm feeling it. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the pink one on. You guys. Okay, so final verdict. Which one do I prefer? Hands down, I'm gonna have to give it to Joy. Like, Joy. If you ain't got it, go pick it up. Okay? This one's a keeper. You winning, BareMinerals. You are winning. Girl. Okay, so I'm probably going to be using this one a lot more than the other three. But, I mean, I'll try it out. You never know. See what may happen. I'll post photos to show you guys all of them to see what they look like. I feel like if you want more of a subtle look, then Fierce is definitely it. It's a little bit darker, but it's also really bronzy. Might really work for a bronzer too if you like a little shine to it. This one I could probably mix in my foundation and it probably would look really, really good. So I might try that one out that way just so I can get the most use for it. But Joy definitely as a highlighter is winning. Okay. So final verdict, no shade. Okay. They are a little liquidy, but I kind of don't mind it because it's giving me this, like, y'all is winning, okay? So with Whimsy and Free, I feel like if you are slightly lighter complexion than me, Free would work for you because I feel like it's going to give you that golden tone. If you're a little bit more on the fair side, Whimsy might be yours, okay? I feel like for all my fair tone ladies out there and men, we don't discriminate, okay? Then Whimsy will be perfect for you. It's a little bit too purpley pink for me. Like, can y'all see that? Oh. I don't know why it's not focusing. But it's giving me like purple pink vibes. And like, yeah. I don't want to be purple. I want to be gold. I want to look, you know, like, ooh, who is that that just stepped out? You know? So I'm definitely gonna say, if you haven't picked it up, go pick you up some joy, because I'm living for it. All right, y'all. So this has been Shade or No Shade. I hope y'all liked it. Got any comments? Leave down below. Y'all have a blessed day. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that bell icon, and like my video. And make sure y'all stay tuned next and tell me what y'all want to see next. I'm all ears for it, okay? Until I see y'all next time, peace.